Hello everyone and welcome to the beer experience, or how I prefer to call it, the best experience of my life. Well, this trip started on June 1st, and to be honest, at the beginning I was a little bit scared because I didn't know what to expect, but as soon as I set foot in Bruges, I fell in love with this city. It seems taken from a fairy tale. No matter where you are, everything dazzles you. Fortunately, I was able to visit almost all the city, even Ghent, that is a city next to Bruges, but it is also part of this medieval spot. Now let me tell you a little bit more about the northern Vienna. In the early Middle Ages, Bruges was one of the main commercial centers of Europe, due to its good connection with the sea and the presence of the Flemish counts. So much so that this is where the first stock exchange was established. Later, after the death of Mary Burgundy in 1482, the decline of the city began. Then, in the 17th, an urban renewal project started, in which historic parts were renovated and proposed to have more vegetation and fewer cars. And this is precisely what has led to this beautiful city to be considered a World Heritage Site. And yes, you can go everywhere with your bike. The whole city is adapted for it. Now talking about what I did in my internship, that was me in the first day. I spent most of my time at the bar, where I learned about beers, as well as the importance of observing and learning, and complement the work of my colleagues. I was in charge with my other colleagues of maintaining the cleanliness of the bar, restocking products both in the bar and in the store, guide customers on how our promotions worked, and provide them with information about our products. Sometimes I was also at the reception, where I was in charge of selling tickets and showing customers how the museum worked. Because we have the bar and also the museum, because this is the beer museum. And last but not least, my favorite part of those 2 months, all the people I'd met here. They started out as strangers, so stupid being that the moment they asked you, "Where are you from?" And maybe you could switch to your native language, or maybe you had to keep speaking English. But no matter what, you ended up meeting someone you felt you had been friends with for years. With some, I was only able to spend a few hours, and with a few others, I was able to spend more days. But now all those people will go with me as a very beautiful memory. I must say that the person who took that plane on June 1st is not the same one who came back, and I'm grateful for that. I like this feeling of missing because I know there is a place to come back and find a part of me. Because I take a part of the city and a part of me stays here.